Hi, my name's Tyler. Say, you ever experience sudden loud noises such as a popping sound from a balloon? Yeah, they kind of are pretty crazy, aren't they? Here's what I would do when you're not expecting these things and how to recover from them. So when I play pinball, there's a little loud screeching sound that happens when you get a replay or the target score or an extra ball or anything like that. So every time that happens, sometimes I get a little jumpy. So sudden jump. But then I also could do this thing where I call it the woo kind of thing. It's like my little one of my trademarks when it comes to pinball. It's like every time that pop happens, jump a little bit and then go woo, woo kind of thing too. So try giving that a try. Do some little practice runs too. So whenever sudden noises happens, give the woo a